Welcome back to Walden's World. We pulled out the redneck sled. My grandson cut some rope. I'm not sure if he cut it long enough, so we're gonna get a four-wheeler out, and they'll be that close, so hopefully we won't get too much snow in the face from the tires. Hey, y'all want to see how this redneck thing is built? If you'll notice, we have mountain bolt here, one there, and then there's one there. And there should be one about the same place over here. Actually, it's mounted there. So, this thing has got suspension, it flexes and steers, and this is some Fred Flintstone shit here. So, we've got one mount bolt here, mounts to the sled, and see how this all pivots? This back one is mounted to the ski, it is not mounted to the sled, and it's the same way with the front, even though this is a little cold right now. Back's the same way, it pivots and flexes. They're actually froze right now. They'll pop back loose once we start riding. But anyway, so that's how we made it. So really it's kind of got shock absorbers too. That's some redneck stuff there. But you can get skis at your local thrift store. This is waterproof wood. We've literally had this sled like 10 years. I'm surprised it's still holding together. And we just cut a piece of hole through there. And this is some 1x1 slats. They've been holding up pretty well. You can get the skis real cheap at the thrift store. But anyway, we're going to get the four-wheeler out. That might be enough room. Tap the gas. One time, not bad. Alright. I think somebody's been playing with my adjustments.
There's a starting rope.
All right, we got a rope here. What we do is a safety. We let them hold on to the rope. So we just run it through here. If they get scared, they can just let go of the rope. It'll flap back through and they'll just stop. All right, so our first hat trick, we're gonna run Shaden backwards. I give him the mount, so we'll put the GoPro on there and he can lean against my back and spot. So if we have any problems, we got the rope tied up. You need to sit on your butt with your legs turned around. Sit in between Lakin's legs. Put your legs straight out, probably be the best thing. Do not wrap that rope around you at all, only hold on. Yep, do not wrap anything around you or you'd get dragged. Okay? You got her?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now we're going to mount this up to Shaden. Get pretty good video right there for our first run. Shaden, make sure the camera, if you got to adjust the camera, you can.
Okay.
All ready?
I'm leaning. Okay, guys.
If anything happens like that, let go of the rope. You know, you wouldn't get hurt that way.
I'm back up. I'm the slayer. I'm the slayer cop.
Huh?
I'm the slayer cop.
Yep. Here, you want to hold on to the camera?
Yeah.
Can you get some good video? Y'all ready? Three of them on there now. We're gonna see what happens. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, guys.
Oh, wait, I can't get it. Hold on, get in. Hold on. This is pretty fun. Let's go, guys. I don't know down. It's soft. Oh, the ground's hard. Woo! 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 Come on, let's go! Woo! Woo! I'm good. I'm not hurt. This is awesome. I like when we slide around. Faster!
hadn't we, baby?
Yeah.
Let her put her legs underneath your arms. right, kids. What do you think about the redneck sled?
1,000 thumbs up.
1,000 thumbs up.
Except my ears are really cold. But yeah.
Yep, my fingers are cold too. Let's go get warmed up a little bit and we'll come out and do it again.
Yeah.
All right.
That was fun.
What do you tell the world?
Like, subscribe, and you should do it. Enjoy. You should do it. Enjoy. And be careful. It's slippery.